Filming.
This is Piglet crew coming to you. This is Evan, Michael, Josh, myself.
And I'm the camera guy.
And that's the camera guy, Casey. This is Evan. Bamboo jump number 1. We ready.
Okay. What we doing? You gonna go running through the bamboo. I'm gonna run with you, dog. Alright. Hold on. Fuck it, I'll do it first. And the bear. How you feel about that, dog?
My ass kinda hurt. I think I'll do it again.
Alright, I'm ready for you.
I think the run was great. The launch was a little slippery.
Yeah, it was a little sloppy, wasn't it?
Evan in the bamboo jump 2.
Hey, louder.
Evan and the bamboo jump 2.
Get your mean face on, dog.